Damien, I got your message. Um, Hopefully, I can answer your question with the video here. Tuesday, we ended up with in the a solid modeling workspace. Dimensioning's pretty difficult from here, so I assume you went back to the drafting and annotation workspace. If you don't remember, come down here to the gear icon in the status bar. Click the whatever you call this menu with the little white triangle there. Change your workspace to drafting and annotation for doing your dimensions. I believe you got into a setting in your dimension style that's bad. So here on the home tab in the drafting and annotation workspace, on the annotation panel, drop down the little white triangle and come over here to the dimension style icon. Are you using standard or did you create one? Figure out which one you're. I think I only got standard on this new drawing I'm working on, so I'll assume you kept using standard, which isn't good practice, but I'll assume you're using standard with some modifications to it. Click on this little paintbrush on the bed looking icon for dimension style. Select the dimension that you're using, again probably standard. Click modify, and over here on the, where is it, here on the symbols and arrows tab of the dimension style um, set of tabs, come down here and check the center marks to none. I suspect you got it changed to line and ran it up to a really big line, so you get the plus sign at the middle of your arcs, in the middle of your circles. So check that into none, and that'll disintegrate or change all your crosshairs or center mark plus signs to nothing. Click OK. Click set current if, well, probably is already current. Just go ahead and click close. And I believe from then on, I need to draw some circles here. Let me get a plan view real quick. Draw a circle real quick and an arc real quick. Come up here to the dimensioning toolbar, or flyout icon flyout. Click radius, click, and right there's your radius. Might have to set the use overall scale of to something bigger, depending on what the size of your object is. Let's see here, radius on an arc. You don't get the plus sign in the middle. If anything, you get a tiny little pinpoint there. If you need to enlarge the text and arrowheads, go back to the dimension style you're using, select it, click modify, go on to the fit tab, and change the use overall scale setting to something much higher, say 5, I'm guessing. Click OK, click close, and then the dimensions are legible. Go into the precision to lower the decimals from 4 to 2 or from 4 to 0. That might be all the time I got with this free video recorder. Send an email back. Still got several days before Saturday midnight. So send me a text back or give me a call if this doesn't help doesn't solve your problem. Catch you later. Bye.